Only a single mother can make a child being sick about her. It's really none of our business. Nobody is calling your dad out for the things you won't remember. So why bring trauma to the internet that your child will grow up to hate by? Spiting a man isn't worth the length women go. Kusho uNothabaloyi laphana ku-Twitter. Hello Mzansi, welcome to Asikhulume with Brave. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash that like button. Uyatrenda uNothabaloyi ngemva kokuthi abheshe uThobeka i-ex-girlfriend yakhe Spanyo-Vest ngemva kokuthi Thobeka hambe laphana ku-Instagram uyorevila tigaxa le Spanyo-Vest bekamenda dona while they were still dating. Umntwana bagula ana 8 months ane-cancer, cheater with Upolane, and bangaqina lapho they ended up getting married. So uNothabaloyi uthi why ende kugula komntwana ngaye. Naye musiknet Ntula baba kade endilele namuhla angeke azakhulume ngato nale angeke aze atikhumbule, and people were like hayibo Notha awuphume nje wena lapho wena ukhumbule ukuthi you are being accused currently of rape, which is rape, and ukhuluma njani into lenjalo. I wonder why Notha hlala tifaka tindzabeni tebantu everywhere nje. uNotha ufuna kubada everywhere nje, ufuna kuvela kancane kancane nje, ufuna kuvela. So people dragged uGuy ukuthi awunalo ulizwelo, and we wonder why uBerita married you from the first place. So do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.